On August 13th, International Wolf Day is celebrated to highlight the importance of wolves in ecosystems and advocate for their protection. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity by regulating prey populations. However, they face habitat loss, persecution, and negative perceptions. The day aims to dispel myths, promote coexistence strategies, and emphasize the ecological significance of wolves. It encourages habitat conservation, restoration efforts, and education about their importance. International Wolf Day provides an opportunity to raise awareness and inspire actions that ensure the survival of these iconic carnivores and the health of the ecosystems they inhabit.